Welcome to our deep dive into the top 5 Tabnine features that every developer should leverage. You'll learn how these AI-driven tools can boost your coding efficiency and accuracy. Did you know that AI can now predict your next line of code with up to 90% accuracy? Welcome to our video on the top 5 Tabnine features every developer should use. In the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how Tabnine's AI-driven coding assistants can revolutionize your development process. From code completion to advanced team collaboration tools, you'll discover powerful functionalities that will enhance your coding efficiency and accuracy. So, let's dive in and see how these features can work for you. Tabnine is a cutting-edge AI tool designed to assist developers by providing context-aware code completions. Leveraging machine learning, Tabnine learns from millions of public repositories and adapts to your coding style over time. This means you can code faster, with fewer syntax errors, and maintain a consistent style across projects. Integrated seamlessly with popular IDEs, Tabnine transforms how you interact with your codebase, allowing you to focus on logic and architecture rather than syntax. As AI continues to evolve, tools like Tabnine become indispensable in a developer's toolkit. One of Tabnine's standout features is its code completion and prediction capability. As you type, Tabnine analyzes the context and provides suggestions that fit seamlessly with your current code. This smart feature not only accelerates your coding process but also allows you to concentrate more on the logic of your application, rather than mundane syntax. The real-time assistance helps catch potential errors before they become problematic, ensuring a smoother development cycle. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, Tabnine's intelligent predictions will enhance your productivity and accuracy. Tabnine shines in its ability to support multiple programming languages, making it a versatile tool for developers working in diverse environments. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, or any other popular language, Tabnine provides the same level of intelligent code completion and prediction. This flexibility allows you to transition between projects and languages without missing a beat. As you switch from one language to another, Tabnine adapts quickly, offering relevant suggestions that align with the specific requirements of each language. This adaptability is crucial for developers handling multi-language projects.
One of the powerful aspects of Tabnine is the ability to customize AI models to suit your unique coding style. By tailoring the AI's learning to your preferences, you can significantly enhance the accuracy and relevance of code suggestions. This personalized approach means that the more you code, the more tailored the suggestions become, boosting your productivity and reducing time spent on repetitive tasks. Tabnine's user-friendly customization options make it simple to adjust settings and refine the AI's behavior, ensuring that your development environment is perfectly aligned with your personal workflow.
Tabnine isn't just for individual developers. Its team collaboration tools are designed to streamline the coding process for entire teams. By using shared AI models, teams can maintain a consistent code style across projects, making collaboration more efficient. These tools enhance communication among team members as everyone works with the same predictive insights and suggestions, reducing misunderstandings and coding errors. With Tabnine, teams can leverage AI to boost project-wide efficiency, ensuring that all members are aligned and contributing to a cohesive codebase.
Tabnine integrates seamlessly with a wide range of popular integrated development environments, IDEs, including Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, and more. This integration ensures that you can take advantage of Tabnine's features without disrupting your existing workflow. By enhancing your development environment with AI-driven insights, Tabnine maximizes your productivity, allowing you to focus on building great applications. Whether you're starting a new project or integrating Tabnine into an existing setup, the transition is smooth and effortless, making it an invaluable addition to any developer's toolkit. In the competitive landscape of AI-driven coding tools, Tabnine stands out by offering superior code prediction accuracy and user satisfaction. Compared to other tools, Tabnine's integration capabilities and multi-language support set it apart. Users frequently highlight Tabnine's flexibility and ease of use as significant advantages. Performance metrics indicate that Tabnine not only keeps pace with competitors but often surpasses them in terms of feature offerings and reliability. When choosing the right AI tool for your development needs, consider Tabnine's robust capabilities and proven track record in enhancing coding efficiency and accuracy.
Looking ahead, Tabnine is committed to continuous innovation and user-driven improvements. Future updates promise to bring even more advanced features, leveraging the latest AI advancements to enhance your coding experience. As the development world evolves, Tabnine aims to stay ahead of the trends, ensuring that its tools remain relevant and effective. By listening to user feedback and integrating cutting-edge technology, Tabnine plans to expand its functionalities and continue providing unparalleled support for developers worldwide. Stay tuned for exciting developments that will further revolutionize your coding process.
We've covered the top 5 features of Tabnine that every developer should use to enhance their coding journey. With AI-driven tools like Tabnine, you can streamline your development process, improve accuracy, and boost your productivity. We invite you to share your experiences with Tabnine and let us know which features have impacted your work the most. Don't forget to comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more insights into AI tools in development. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing how Tabnine can revolutionize your coding projects.